Today we're going to learn 1 steps, 1 through 5 for Taekwondo. These are what the yellow stripes have to learn. We have Caiden here, we have Kenzie here to show you 1 through 5, 1 steps. Hey, number 1 is, first we come to attention, then bow, and then shin B. Now from shin B, number 1 is step with the right foot, right hand block, and then reverse punch, and then your hands come here. Notice I'm like covering up my fist here, and we're gonna punch block like this. Let's try it again. So it goes block, punch, punch block, real fast like that. Now, you guys follow along with me. Let's turn around this way. So we're in shin B, and we step with the right foot, right hand block with the palm. We're blocking the punch. Now reverse punch to the solar plexus, a little lower, Caiden. Now your hands come back here and punch block. Let's do it again. Ready? Block, punch, punch block. Yeah! And you want to key up on those. Key up on those. Now, this is how you do it together. Ready? Face each other. Straight up. Come yet. Chin B. Now, you want to move up a little closer. All right. Now, Kenzie's going to key up to let Caiden know that she's ready to go. Key up. And then when Caiden's ready for Kenzie to punch, Caiden's going to key up. And then once she punches forward, Caiden has to react right away with the 1 step. Up. Up. Good. And now, Caiden goes back and he keys up to let Kenzie know. Up. And borrow. Very good. Now let's go into number 2. Number 2 is just like number 1. For number 2, we do this. It is right foot, right hand block, and then reverse punch. And then your hands come up here, double knife hand. It looks a little bit like this. Yeah! Now, you follow along with us. Ready? Let's turn around this way. And we go right foot, right hand, block, reverse punch, and double knife hand. So your hands come up like this, double knife hand. Let's do it again. Ready? Block, reverse punch, and double knife hand. Here. Ready? Face each other. And Kenzie, step back in the low block. Key up, Kenzie. Up. Up. You want to get a little closer when we do this. Up. Awesome job. Number 3. You guys are doing good practicing these at home. It's going to be right foot forward. And number 3 is you go front kick to the face, punch block. Let's try it again. Front kick to the face, punch block. Now you follow along with us. Ready? Right foot forward. Front kick with the left foot, punch block. You want to get like 2 inches from their face. Don't hit them though. Ready? Let's try it again. Front kick to the face, punch block. Ready? Face each other. Kenzie, go back in the low block. Key up. Go right through these. We were planning on stopping between, but let's keep going. You guys still with us? Good. Number 4 is right foot forward, and it's going to be side kick with the left foot and double knife hand. You're blocking here and hitting the neck. Okay, you're blocking the punch, hitting the neck. Let's try that again. Right foot forward, side kick to the face. Yeah. Now let's face this way. You guys follow along. Right foot forward, left foot side kick. Yeah. All right, let's get right on to it. Ready? Up. 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 Borrow. Now number 5. Number 5 is out in left field. It's a little tricky, but you can do it, okay? So for number 5, I think the best way to do this would be for you to follow along with us. So let's face this way, you guys follow along. So we're in shin B. You're in shin B. You're going to step to the left, and you're going to block with a knife hand like this. Now you're going to grab, and now you're going to come up, side kick, and you're going to come in elbow and block. Now you're going to turn this way, elbow and block. Now, left back fist, turn elbow and then block so their hand doesn't come get you. Back fist. Yeah. All right. Let's do it. Up. Block, side kick. Good. Now you want to get a little closer with that. Get a little closer. All right, and that's 1 steps 1 through 5.